SEO is evolving continuously. So what are the key things you need to focus in 2023? So the first is page experience. Focus on core web vitals, page speed and user experience can improve overall page experience and Google is gonna love it. Second is AI content. There are so many tools coming up these days like ChatGPT. People are using ChatGPT for generating great content, but there's a catch. Google doesn't like AI content and it can detect whether content is written by a human or AI. So avoid creating content from ChatGPT, but yes, you can use AI content tools for research and studies. Third is content engagement. So whatever content you create, make sure it's very engaging, it's readable, it has bucket bridges, it has short sentences, it has informative, useful for the users, and definitely taking care of all the pain points of your audience. Lastly, mobile optimization. 60% of searches are coming up on Google are from mobile. So whatever content you create, whatever website you create, make sure it's well optimized on mobile. And taking care of all these things in 2023 will make your SEO go up. That's 1 minute of marketing. Thank you.